we're gonna make a video that's 3 times better, 4 times better, 5 times better, 6 times better. Even, not even, even, is it even? It must be even before the video starts. The video, if it's just not even, it's just not worthy of YouTube. It's not worthy of my 12 subscribers on YouTube. This is not worthy of my 12 subscribers, but you know what is? This lentils and rice with a little bit of tainted Yosemite fire smoke, because I have failed to wash my pans thoroughly. So, not seasoned at all either. Delightful. I haven't eaten shit all day. I don't know how I'm not hungry. Anyway, let's get back to the point of this video. What is the point of this video? I have no idea. I have no idea. Except I know one thing. I know one thing. I know that I am very fortunate, extremely fortunate, metatrophically fortunate. Is that even a word? Metatrophically. I am so fucking fortunate to have this phone. Alright? I'm so fucking grateful for having this device in front of me right now that is capturing what I am saying, and I will be able to load it up in a couple of minutes and put it on YouTube. Now I'm on top of a hill. You look out that window right there. It's covered up by insulation right now. So let me move the phone. Let's move the phone. Let's go ahead and show everyone. Show everyone my room. Check it out. Reflectix. Alright? That's why the sound quality in this video is so dank. So dope, because I insulate my car primarily for that reason. Primarily for the sound quality for my 12 subscribers on YouTube. That is why I have such profound insulation in my car. You believe that? I believe that. Ooh. Fresh beer. Did I just open that up? I've been telling myself 1 beer a day. 2 beers a day. It was a gift. Not money for beer. I only drink beer. I don't drink beer often. But when I do, it was a gift. Alright? So, back to the point of this video. What is the point of this video? I don't know. But let's rewind a little bit. I'm so thankful for this device in front of me. And for my beer not spilling just then. This is, let's be real. This is crazy. Let's be real. This is insane. The fact that I am on, in front of you right now talking to this thing that's in front of me is ridiculous. The fact that, I am in your phone right now talking to you, or maybe a computer if you're, ancient. I watch YouTube videos on computers. It's all cool. That's fucking crazy. Let's just take a moment of silence to acknowledge that. Okay? I was without my phone for 7 days. 7 days. 7 days I was without my phone. Without my phone for 7 days. You know why? Someone told me the iPhone X is waterproof. So of course, I'm going to use it in the water. I was taking some dope underwater shots. I was, used it once underwater and it worked fine afterwards. Used it twice underwater, it worked fine afterwards. 3rd time I used it underwater, it didn't work. It worked for 30 seconds after I took it out. But after that, it was done. That was when I went to Yosemite. So my phone got trashed in Yosemite. But a lot of good things have come from it. Luckily I had insurance on it, still had to pay a fat $200. Insurance only covers 80%, but I still had to pay $200 for this damn phone. You know why? Because I got the iPhone X. Way too expensive. But, hey, I want to document myself in the highest quality video. I want to document myself in the highest quality video so 50 years from now, my son can look back. I don't know why I say 50. If I have a kid in 10 years, my son's going to be grown in 18 after that. So 28 years from now. 28 years from now, I want my son to be able to look at this video. And he doesn't have to be grown to watch my video. You can watch it at 7 years old. So 17 years from now. Say I have a kid in 10 years. 17 years from now, I want my kid to be able to look on YouTube and be like, hey dad, yo, I saw you wilding out in your car. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just living in my car. You know? And it's worth documenting. I think we underestimate that. You know, people spend a lot of money on fast food. Yes, fast food's expensive. I've already spent $150 on fast food this month. I looked at my budget. I spent $30 on groceries that'll last me a week at least. I got white rice, lentils, and mushrooms. Granted, the mushrooms weren't even necessary. They're just for flavors. So lentils and white rice will last you several. I could live off of lentils and white rice for under $100 a month. All right, like let's just put that in perspective right now. Okay, back to how fortunate I am for having this device. This captures everything in high quality. I know, granted, right now it doesn't really matter because all you can see is my silhouette. Silhouette. I don't know. Your dad can't pronounce silhouette, son. Alright, it's just getting weird. Back to the point. I want to be able to record everything. And plus I use my phone for work. Scan books all day. Always constantly online. So the best thing like this, the best alien-like device that can tell me anything I want in the world, I want to have the best of the best. So that's why I bought an iPhone X. And that's why I got insurance on it, because I knew I was going to do something stupid like that. So, yeah. Got a phone now. Was without a phone for 7 days. And I was very fortunate because it just made me realize how awesome of a device this is. You know, can answer any question I want. Any question. I Google it, and any question that has answers to it. Let's put it that way. You can find, I guarantee you, any question that has answers to it, you can find on Google. Okay. Number two, it can tell me wherever I want to go, and it's got vast, various maps of the whole country. And all I got to do is say, "Hey Siri," and then boom, she comes up, and I ask her where to go. I was without that for 7 days. It's very frustrating going down to downtown San Francisco and not having a phone. It's so frustrating. Oh my God. Had my Chromebook open and I had like 4 different tabs going, and I was clicking these various tabs to like I had a tab of like one intersection and the tab of the next intersection and the tab of the next, because Chromebook doesn't have cellular service, so I only can like interact with the map when I have Wi-Fi. So I preloaded all those screens, blah blah blah. Pain in the ass. This phone though has made me realize how fortunate, like how spoiled we are as a generation. Like not even as a generation, like old people can have phones too. Like no fucking excuses. Like shut up. Like the older people that say like we're spoiled, like no, you're spoiled too. You have access to the same things we do, you know. And it might not always be that way. So, and it never was always this way. And I think that it's really cool that it is this way, because now my words are going to be saved forever. Granted, I have 12 subscribers right now. Probably 2 of them will watch this. And maybe only 1 will make it this far in the video. However, several years down the road, my son will be able to watch this, my daughter, my grandchildren, great-grandchildren. As long as the world doesn't explode, this video will be out there forever. And I haven't said any crazy shit yet. I dropped a couple F-bombs, but like that in and of itself is crazy. And that's why I'm making this YouTube channel, so I can have a list of everything I've done. And I can see how I thought when I was 22. Right now I'm 22. I can see how I thought when I was 22. 8 years from now, I'll probably think way different. 4 years ago, looking at videos on that were saved on Google Plus, it's so cool to watch those because I've changed so much. So I mean, that's why. Is this a why video? This is a why I'm doing things video. I'll tell you why I got a phone. I could make a whole nother video on why I'm living in my car. Basically, like it's super simple why I'm living in my car. I want to travel the world. I want to see America. And I want to experience lots of things. I don't want to have lots of things. be nice to have lots of things. I'm not one of those people that are against things. Like, things would be cool. But right now, my greatest fear is that I'll die and not have experienced a lot. So I'm experiencing a lot. I'm documenting it, and I'm keeping track of everything. So that's why. That's why. Why I have a phone, why I'm doing this. I just think we take a lot for granted, you know? Like, this is amazing. It's amazing. It's crazy. We get used to shit so quick. Like, I'm so fortunate to have got my phone wet so I can remember how awesome this device is, especially for someone living a lifestyle like me. Living in your car, traveling around, like, it's so easy to get lost. So many questions come up. My whole business is online, buying and selling books. Luckily, I had my Chromebook with me, and luckily there's Starbucks with the fastest Wi-Fi on the planet. But it really just makes you realize how fortunate you are, how fortunate we are to have these. But yeah, just documenting. So subscribe, like this video to bring me up in the ranks of other YouTube videos. I'm not even competing with anyone. I'm not competing with other travelers. I'm not competing with other vloggers. Subscribe if you like my shit. Don't if you don't. And if you don't like this video, fucking dislike it. All right? Peace out.